how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. In today's video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps option. Here on apps option, search now for Facebook. Open the Facebook like this and scroll down. Click on storage. Now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop, click again OK, and what you should do right now, go and restart your phone. After this, your problem maybe will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.